You may or may not know this, but one of the Google Apps for Education tools is Blogger, which means you as a teacher can start your own blog to keep students and families updated. But more than that, you can have every one of your students make a blog just for your content area if you want them not just writing and reflecting, but also commenting on each other's written work and reflections, and maybe even sharing their work with students all over the world. To access Blogger, you just go to blogger.com. Now, you're a Google Apps for Education user, so you're going to have to set up a new blog. So you click on New Blog, and what you have to do is start by giving it a title. Now, let's say you want to do your language or humanities class. Humanities. Now this part's important. You want to pick an address that's going to be your address URL. So it's usually going to be whatever you pick .blogspot.com. So if you pick humanities and it checks it, it's available. Well, I better not take that one since it's available. I'm going to make it 123. In case you're a humanities teacher and you want to use it, humanities.blogspot.com is available. Now, because I'm showing you how to do this, I'm going to take humanities 123 and it's not going to be available. So you get to choose what you want it to look like. Let's say I want the ethereal look. And you create your blog. Now this part, tell your students to do no thanks. You don't want to find a domain because then you have to pay for that. Now here's where all the action takes place. Blogger automatically gives you stats so you can see who's visiting your blog, if parents are actually reading it or not. And this is where you can write a new post. So you go to New Post and you give it a title. Welcome to my class. And then you've got features that you might see on a word processing software. Bold, italics, underline, change the color of your text, highlight or background color. You can add links, pictures, videos, change alignment. It's got a lot of tools that you're used to seeing. And then once you save it, it's not published. So if you're still working on it, you can save and close, and there's your post. I'm going to show you one that I've already got going. Here's my Room 410 science assignments. So I've got posts here. I do a post every week, and I can go in here and edit. And this is where I tell parents what we're doing for the week. So if you send an email out regularly, you can send the email and publish it on your blog. So you don't have to do it twice. Just copy and paste it into both locations. When you view your blog, this is the part you want to share with parents. Don't give them a link to this. This is your editing page, and they'll need your password to get in, and well, that's horrible, so don't do that. You have to view your blog, and then this is your URL up here that you're going to share with parents. However you do that. I do it through Remind. I've also done it through Class Dojo. If you want to do it through email, so your email's short, but then they click if they want more information, that's another way. So right now, I've got links to all my blogs. If I want to give them just Q4 Week 6, I click on the title, and now I'm just looking at Q4 Week 6. So this is all very helpful, and again, think of what your students can do with their own blog. And as you noticed on mine, when you go to Blogger, you can have multiple blogs. So tell your students, because my students got confused with this. When they were going to write a new post, they'd click on New Blog. No, that creates a whole new blog. To write a new post, they can just click here. So I've got 3 blogs. My science assignments, are Chimicum World Solutions, and this new one I made, Humanities blog, um, with one page view, that was me, and one post. So this is something you can be doing right now with your Google Apps for Education.